In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change layouts in TradingView, making your charting experience more personalized and efficient. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together, step by step. First, let's start by talking about the chart. TradingView is a popular platform used to visualize market data effectively. For our example, we'll be focusing on Tesla's stock chart. This will provide a clear idea of how different layouts can help streamline your trading analysis. Once you're on the TradingView platform, you'll want to navigate to the upper right corner of the screen. Why there, you ask? Well, that's where the magic happens when it comes to customizing your layout. You'll see an icon that gives you access to various customization options. So go ahead and click on it. This action opens up a world of possibilities that can tailor your TradingView setup to better suit your needs. Moving forward, select the option labeled Layout Setup. Clicking this opens a menu that allows you to adjust how your charts are arranged on your screen. Being able to switch layouts is particularly useful when you want to compare multiple charts side by side or focus deeply on a single one without any distractions. Now let's delve a little deeper into what these layouts can do for you. Different layouts can address various trading styles and strategies, whether you're conducting technical analysis, comparing different stocks, or monitoring global indices. The right layout can significantly improve your workflow. Importantly, there are substantial benefits to mastering layout setups in TradingView. You're not only enhancing your visual experience, but you're also enabling more streamlined analysis and efficient decision-making processes. A well-organized layout can mean the difference between missing an important trading signal and executing a timely trade. Bear in mind, however, that to make use of certain advanced layout features, you might need access to a paid plan on TradingView. Although the basic features are generous, some premium functionalities are locked behind a subscription. If you find these additional features valuable, it might be worth considering an upgrade for a more comprehensive set of tools. Once you've set up your preferred layout, it's crucial to take a moment to review your chart. Ensure that the adjustments you've made serve your analysis needs. Check if all essential data and indicators are displaying correctly, and that the layout is visually comfortable for your use. There you have it, a thorough walkthrough on how to change layouts in TradingView to enhance your trading endeavors. By following these steps, you'll be better equipped to manage and interpret market data, ultimately leading to smarter trading decisions. Thanks for watching and happy trading.